Hi, Chris here for Tech and welcome to the channel. Well, today we are going to have a look into Cyberpunk 2077 and how we are able to earn 600 cyber dollars or euro dollars and get a ton of hidden free stuff. We are in Watson. I'm still in level 2 and I'm able to go to this area here. You can access it with this quick access point if you want to, and you want to go in this area in the northeast corner nearby the water, like so. Once we reach there, simply locate the area with the 4 fan, like so, here, and the area where the car drove off the road, like here. Then you can see the green icon here and the exclamation mark. The only things that we have to do now is to jump into the water, okay? Don't worry, it's not toxic. And what do we see here? Oh, hello kitty kitty! But what are you doing under the water? How comes you are not drowning when they say to us that we need oxygen? Anyway, pass on by. Okay, here I have EMP grenades. Okay, so I take that. And nothing in the boot, but what we are interested in, it's the body here with the exclamation mark. We'll come back to that later. I just show you that there is nothing in the car. With that out of the way, we can go back to the body now and inspect it and see what we have. So we have a Barbadore suit jacket with discreet bulletproof lining with a 17.8 armor. Oh, level require 4, we are 2. Doesn't matter, we'll get it. Empty clothing mode slot, that's very nice. Okay, now this is taken. We can go and take the archives conversation. But first, let's take some water now. Okay, let's go up. So, to go up faster, because I'm dying here, I press Shift on the keyboard and C. Right, now that I refill my hair, we can go on the roof where I'm going to save. Okay, to make sure that I don't have any problem. Alright, refill all the health and save that. Okay, like this I won't have any problem. Like so, we are done. We can go and continue if anything happen now. So, going back, and I can look at the archive now. Okay, and this is the conversation between Phillips and Regina. So you notice that when I go and read the conversation, the oxygen stops. Miraculously, I am able to read and take my own sweet time with the archive. Alright, doesn't matter. I like that. Anyway, it's a nice touch. You don't stress too much. But know in the future that if you have enemies, well, while I scroll down, you can read, pause, whatever. So let's exit that. And now we can take the euro dollars. And we go back to the cat. Because I really want to know what can I do with this cat if he's so special and they dedicate the whole things to this. Maybe I will have to come back at a level 4. So now I'm trying to crouch, nothing happened. Okay, I'm trying to punch the cat, nothing happened. Scan the cat, nothing happened. Maybe I should come back at level 4. Okay, that's it for this one. We go back now, if I can, that is. Okay, alright. If I take my gun, yeah, I am. Oh, but I can hear the cat. Hello, kitty kitty. Hello, kitty kitty. Maybe it's just a bug. Maybe the cat's supposed to hit on top of the car. Who knows? Well, enough with the cat. Let's continue the mission. So let's swim out of here and reach the shore. And once we reach the shore, I show you how to get the pants. Okay, there we are. Okay, hop. So far, it's pretty easy, so let's continue. Now we have to go to that place. No, not here. Sorry. I'm looking, I cannot remember exactly. There is a few things for you to collect. Is it here? No, it's not. Oh, okay, yeah, I remember, it's here. Right, so here you have junk, but you can collect, and this is the place we want to be. Right, you can see this, and also you can see that there is some people here that we need to take care of. Alright, so I just tagged her, and I tried to tag this guy here. Alright, that's done. All right, and I have some surprise to collect as well. Very good, very good. We'll come back to that later. Let's go here. I see that there is a champagne bucket. I can take that. And what we are interested actually, I get noticed. Oh no, she's going away. Oh, luckily. Okay, so we are interested in the boost. Oh my, how to pronounce that? Boosting net pack pants. Neotac pants. Oh my god. Anyway, we have 9.8 armor. Once again, level 4 only. But let's take it anyway and continue. So if we go in here, we are going to save because sometimes it's quite difficult. It happens to me that I couldn't manage to get the lady and her friend there. Right? But the reward is quite nice. You will see. We get some cyber euros. So let's take out the gun. I cannot hack because my level is too low. The only things I can hack would be the machine. So if I move a little bit here, and I will be able, yeah, I think I am, yeah, correct. Yeah. Okay, done. Now I can go, take out my gun, and you can see I got some experience. It's nice, no? Not this one. I wonder. Yeah. No. Not this one too. Not the one. Okay. Let's focus. Headshot. Yay! Headshot again. Okay. Good. Oh, I'm not so good at this one. Am I drunk or what? Anyway. That. Yay! So now we can go and see the bounty. Oh, there is a cop there. And what do we get? Let's see that. Rifle ammo. Not too bad. Oh yes. I can see that we have. Okay, so let's take that. Hey, we have a hazmat suit. Okay, interesting. And of course some $. Take that as well. Okay, moving on. What do we have? Yeah, was back kit, not bad. Oh, socket range. Okay, yeah, those I have so many already. I will show you later how to do. Oh, that's interesting. The polymer military tech nodes. Okay, let's take that and continue because I have a little bit more items to collect here. Alright, so that's crap, but it will be interesting later on. As I say, I will show you how. Okay, yep, take that. Another cup, not bad. What does he have? Oh, ashtray, why not? Another cup. Another hazmat suit, not interesting anymore. The ammos, yes, and some other $. Yeah, great. Okay, do we have anything else here? No, maybe no. Okay, we can go to the other place now. And yeah, because it's not finished, you still have some bounty to collect. You see? Ta-da! All right. So this one, quite nice. That's not the nicest. Okay, that's okay. Refill life, why not? This gives you experience also, by the way, depending on how you refill and how often, it will give you some points further down. Alright, that's the one. And what's this? It's a painting. Ta-da! Nice. I take that. And what I'm going to do now, it's get some experience. Oh, but look at that. You don't have to be rich to sparkle. And there is a health warning. Should we know what the health warning is? Let's focus on that. Oh, yeah, brain damage. Because, well, the picture doesn't show you brain damage at all. But, well, anyway, wet dreams. Oh, okay. Okay, focus. Alright, now I can simply get some points by doing some hacking. Okay, I show you. It's very easy. Just take a little bit. Okay, and 70 points protocol here, 70 points. Sorry, protocol there. This one here. No, that's not what I want. What I want is to collect this. Alright, there. Okay. Only one. Okay. let's collect it anyway. I hack you. You didn't give me enough. And get some more points hacking here and there. Alright. And oh, only 7 points this time. Oh, well. Let's try one more time. Oh, not enough points for this one. Let's go to the other one then. Maybe. Yeah. Let's move out from here and try with those. Right. So here I press the cap lock. Like this, it will be easier. I have my other finger free and I can tag quicker. Oh, I'm not full yet. Alright. Can collect this. I didn't saw that earlier. I can collect this and let's go back for some more hacking. Alright. You can notice that once you hack, those you cannot collect. Alright. But you can use the machine, don't get me wrong. Okay, I will call the car now, and maybe we move out of here. Okay, take your own sweet time, Alright. That wasn't even my car. What's happened to you, man? Ah, here you are. Anyway, I waited too long. Now I want to do that. Not to worry, I will take you later. What I want to do, it's have some more points, as you can see. I don't want to talk to you. Yeah. And this one as well. Oh, cannot. You have to wait. You see the... Okay, I can collect those. Oh, you see this one have many more, many more. You'll see later on why I do so. Okay. And I collect all of those. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-da. So many. Normally you need to do this with the drinks and not the food. Yeah. What? You don't give me any more? Anyway. Let's move on. What I did say, I collect you. And now we have to go into the inventory. Alright, like so. Once we are here, you can see that I have new items. All the things that I collected. Okay, I will show you what I find the most effective way to arrange this. You go into default here and you sort it off from the DPS higher to lowest, but note that this will apply only to the tab you are in. It won't apply to other tabs. If you want to sort it out, you will have to sort out the other tabs. Now let's go and look at our loots. Starting with, so the jacket is a 17.8 armor, but only available for level 4 and above, and with an 1 empty slot. We have the goggles here. I will come back to that later. We have the pants here with 9.8 armors and available for level 4 only. And we have hazmat suits. Both of them are the same value, and I'm not going to wear it because once you wear it, it removes everything else. And I don't know how to remove it once you have it on. Now I will remove the new tag on the weapon icon here. So to do that, simply go to the other one and you hover over all of them. Once you go back, you can see it's not there anymore. Simple, isn't it? We go now to the backpack and we can see it's not sorted. So DPS sorted. And the only things we have to do now is to make some new component by disassembling the items we have here. So as you can see, they are sorted. I simply have to press, like it's written there, the Z button, and the item is disassembled. If you notice, once you hover one item, it will say over here how many components you will get from this item. What I do recommend to you, however, is to keep one item minimum from whatever you have. You notice I'm unable to disassemble any items that are already fitted on my person, which is quite a good thing. And here you can notice that I can carry more items, so I'm not restricted by the weight. And I have even more components, which either I can use to craft new items, or either I can sell them. So that's a good thing. As always, there is a but. And this one, it's but there is items you want to keep, like those two. Alright, unless you have more than one, because you can fit them, this one as well, you can fit them later on and it helps you. Here, however, I will simply disassemble the items that I don't want and I have more components. This one I will keep although I'm not going to wear it because the one I wear it's better, as you can see, 4 against 4.3, but I want to see how it looks like. So this one I disassemble. This one I have and it's the same that I wear. This one I like, so I will keep. And oh yeah, this one, that's about it. Grenade, I will keep all of them. And this one here, you can disassemble all the items that are not good for you. Those who reduce your movement or impede on your health. All those you can disassemble and you have more components. So you can see that I get more components, even the rare components, because I'm simply disassembling it. And this is where before, when you go to the vending machine and get as many cans as you can, instead of buying it at a high price, you just collect anything, even the junk here, as you can see, you can disassemble. This was a tip for you. I hope it is helpful. And if you want to know more about this game, just leave a comment down below and ask for it. Whatever it is, tutorial, finding items, rare cars or weapons, like the Skippy gun, or even the nanowire from the movie Genie Mnemonic, even the Akira motorbike, which is really nice in this game too. That is it for today. And again, if you enjoy it, you know what to do. You can do your YouTube things, like if you want to. Subscribe, you may as well. Or you can also press the bell icon if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. However, if you do not like this video, simply leave a comment down below and tell me why it's so. I will try to improve for you guys. Stay safe and bye now!